welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. So guys, this video is for the beginners out there. First of all, let's say a tune is playing and this is the tune that you want to try to play. First thing that you have to, if you are a total beginner, right? A total beginner, you cannot look for chords. Be patient with yourself. Don't rush. Especially when you are learning, you get frustrated and all that. So best way is to slow down. So let's say a tune is playing. We're just gonna play a simple tune. So now we have the key. We know this tune I was playing is in the key of C. Now the next thing that you have to listen to very carefully is the tone, right? The tone of the strings. Okay, first of all is the tone of the positioning of the guitar that you have to put in mind. So you can hear with this tune, we have a C, but this high C, it was not in there. So now you look for the next C. So now here's another thing. If you want to learn Sungura, we're all learning, we're all still in the journey of learning Sungura. I don't think we can ever say we have learned enough. Even the besties, they will tell you that they have not reached where they want to be. So learning every day is the key, and you have to teach yourself which ways will suit you. Mark was said on this track, it's not every lesson that can teach a person, or it's not every person that can teach a lesson. I think that statement was, yeah. So you have to see what works for you, because it's not like everything is going to work for you. But here on this channel, I try to make it easier for everyone. If you think maybe I need to clarify more on other parts, you just comment in the comment section. So here's another thing again. That I've realized. It's the progressions. People get lost when it comes to chord progressions. I think that should be the simplest thing. If you want to learn guitar the easy way, you've learned the open chord. You also have learned to move those open chords and play them in. So that includes introducing the bar chords, right? So for example, if I was playing, now I need to play it in on a different octave. Okay, so for example, we know our chords, right? A to G. Let's pick on blues. Okay, so for example, blues, the chord progression that they mostly used in blues is 2-5-1. So if you go to our chords and start C, D, E up until we go A, B again, we just list C, D, E, F, G, and then we start to count. So for example, from C to D, C is 1, D is 2. So which means it's 2-5-1. So the first key will be D. So another thing, okay, and then I also break down the Sungura chord progression. The mostly used Sungura chord progression, which is 1-4-1, 1-4-1-5. And then if you go to the blues progression, which is 1-4-5, it goes like. And another thing, as a guitarist, that you have to watch out is the position where you play. Each guitarist has his favorite position. It can be in the terms of how that position you can hold, or it can be the open keys that the guitarist is hoping to get. For example, if you have the, let me go on a C. Okay, so this rhythm goes like this. So you can hear this rhythm, the high E, string number 1, is the concentration here. Yeah. So can you hear another thing? What I'm doing here, whenever I'm moving from another chord to another chord, I play the open E. Because in the key of D, E can be open, and then E can be open, and also D can be open in there. So you can go like, where's our D? Here's our D, string number 4. So you go like. So you can hear like it kind of gives a different sound to it, or we can play both of them together like. I'm sorry, my amp is not here today. If it was plugged, it was gonna be. But I'm sure you can get the idea here. And also another thing, don't underestimate the shapes of when you are playing sungura. Just try to master all the shapes, or at least 3 to 4 shapes. And when you are looking for a key or for a guitar that you wanna learn, you can go around all those. Once you have your key, you can go around all those shapes. Because first of all, the key is important. Yeah, like you know what you are looking for. First of all, the keys are very important because you know what you're looking for. If you have the right key, then you can know, okay, if I put the scale of the major scale, do I get what I'm looking for? Minor scale, do I get what I'm looking for? So the shapes are very important. The key is very important. Tuning your guitar is very important. When you're a beginner, let's say for example, we take this rhythm here. Simple rhythm. If I move it up, so to a beginner, you might start asking a lot of questions like, oh, what changed there? But if you've climbed a few steps, it'll be easier for you just like, oh, this was a transpose. This guitarist just moved from this key to another key. So it's one of those things that we have to introduce into our guitar playing. So knowing, I remember back then someone said, the legend Mr. Dembo, he never like played like, okay, I don't know, maybe he knew, but those people were saying he never knew like he's playing octaves and all those keys I was playing, right? But maybe he knew, right? Like I just said, but maybe he didn't know what he was playing, but he could play it, right? It happens. For example, a lot of guitarists they call C, G, and all that, but when you tell him go play G, you ask him where's the G. So it's one of those things. But once you master like the theory of the guitar, the practical part of it is just using your brain. Everything will just come in flowing easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Today we were playing much. I was working. You can see my work suit dirty. But I just thought I can just pick up the guitar or the camera there, just to explain something. I hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.